Careful, Will.
Careful, Will. That'll really hurt. Crabbing. Will, please be careful.
Mangroves aren't that dangerous.
Let him go.
But this one, Mommy, this one has stuff growing on it.
Let him go, please.
There's stuff growing on it.
Let him go, bud.
Oh, can you put him on our live room? Caleb, put him in our live room.
Right here. Oh. They won't get run over. Oh. Good, but here, Will. I thought you were going to explore the boat for me. Are you going to explore the boat?
No, but we're gonna explore. We're at Miller. Ouch! Whoa! Found a secret path. Will, come with us! Oh, Will, look at this. Will, come with us. Mommy, you have to come see this. Oh, it's a little long cobweb. What cobweb? Cobweb. Wait, you wait for Mommy. Mommy, Will, is it a clear path? Oh, you go first. Whoa, Will, look at this. It's running really. Whoa, kind of. It's like a cobweb. Okay. Oh my God, this guy. Where? No. Mommy, what are you doing? We're over here. Guys, there's Guys, how about we find the mangroves over there? Remember the secret pathway? Way over here. Over here. But we're already gone as far as we can go. I know a lot of kids who would sprain their ankles in the mangroves. In the mangroves. Wait. Actually, let's go a little bit further, Will. It actually looks a little bit cleaner. Well, bye. Bye, because we're still going. Boo. Whoa, this is a cute little mud tree. Mommy, come in here. Come up. Mommy, look at this. Come in here. You see your mom? Tiny. we're going to through another passageway. We're gonna go on board our abandoned ship. Phoebe, come here now.